Alright, so now Daniel and I, there he is.
What's up?
We are getting ready to do whatever it is we're going to do, which we don't even know what that is. We're probably going to go back behind there, as we always do. And I'm just showing you what things are like, as I always do. Okay, so let's go ahead and go back behind here and just get directly to the job. There's that.
Especially these would stay like these.
I know, they're gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay, now, back there's the magic point, right? Supposedly, if there's ever such a thing as magic. You know, I don't believe in that sort of stuff, but here, look. You know, you can't make that up because, see, the leaves are all coming out of the tree. Now, there's no way, and I mean no way, to fake it. Okay, so, but you still will see, look over here. Look at the place in general. This is the only area reacting, okay? The only area. And again, we got the leaves here to prove it. So take a look. It's where we're at. Now that I'm not putting anything towards it. But as soon as you do put something towards it, it'll come right down. Now Daniel's getting ready to go up there. He is going up there. Now that's, again, that's not something that, I don't care who you are or what you think, that can't be made up. And that's the only area where leaves are falling. Okay? And remember a second ago, this didn't even have wind in it. Alright, so. Reality, folks. Just reality.
Regardless of some people, you just cannot accept it. Feel that? Now let's see. Where should we go? It's a wind tunnel when you create it. Otherwise it'll block the crap out of it. Let's see this for a second. The other day when I made that video, it was like one side is all swirling, windy, and the other side is really fast. Isn't it funny how that works out? Yeah. Okay, let's see. Nice to move it. Go ahead and bring that. Windmills, and what I like about leaves, anything else is, it just doesn't lie. Now, let's go ahead and take a look around. We do this all the time, just to be sure. You saw how it was just right over there when we first started. Look. You see all that? Now, we're not going for major, huge, large movements. There will be definite pushes that will be obvious, so that way there's no question as to what's occurring. As you can see, Daniel is doing his thing over there, he's also playing, okay? Okay, doing this, and I'm going to step away from it. So you saw that I was not touching that thing. Now I want you to notice too, Daniel's got his own little wind system going, and I've got my own little wind system going. One's not really crossing much over into the other. Now, I don't know what it was. Now I want you to look at things. Look at the specifics. Most important stuff. Specifics. Okay? very slow and very methodically. So you can see every last little nuance and movement. See to move this a little bit further this way. Yeah, makes it a lot easier. Okay, I'm going to step away from it. That way you know 100% for sure. When I stepped away from it, and I wasn't next to it, but there's no way that I could have done, like, did anything whatsoever to have made that happen other than what I just did. And look at from here, real quick, just to be for sure. Look at that. This is Daniel and I. Right there, so you can still see that. See the gentle maneuver just like that?